Hey there guys, I have to say today was a marvelous Monday as far as trade goes, to be honest. We had a lovely trade, mainly in the New York Open. You had big movement. Euro USD, to be honest, first one was very consolidated in the second half of the day. First half it made this big move down, about 30 pips, but then after that it was very consolidated, which was quite interesting because pound and dollar pairs generally made some big nice moves, to be honest. So if you were to say at the moment it is consolidated and the level you're looking for is possibly at about here, that's definitely the level, and here. So that's about, if the price basically here moves above 119375, preferably around 119445, 119445. There's a retest and carries on long. You're looking for a long trade. Otherwise, if it goes below 119130, you're looking for a short trade because it's under the 200 EMA, so possibly not, doesn't require a retest for a bearish move. But retest always a safe trade. So that's your Euro USD. In 4 hours, well, massive consolidation throughout the day, to be honest, most part of the day. Pound dollar was fantastic moves. You can see up here big moves. It started coming down from about 10 o'clock in the morning and probably came down about, yeah, it's 60 pips. Yeah, so it's 60 pips. You're looking at the moment, it's again consolidated around just draw a line and see what levels it is consolidated at. You're looking at about here, and here. So nice ascending triangle. You're looking at the level there is about 139030. That's 139030, and for a long, that is 139030. If it goes above that and retests for a long, to be honest, you can see momentum is bullish. So, but then possibly require retest. But it's just a 200 EMA line, so it's always, because it's an industry standard, strong support and resistance. 200 EMA line, always best to have a retest before it goes on for long. And if you were to have a short trade, you would look at below the 138795 level. 138795 with a retest would carry for long, a safe trade for pound dollar. Dollar CAD was very interesting as well, to be honest. This movement up here is almost like gave an idea that it was going to carry on for the red fib channel. And this was at about, now you can see about 10 o'clock it started rising, and you know what, I had long trades on this thinking that this level, but in the 4 hour chart it showed that it almost broke through this big psychological number here, this purple line, and that's why I decided to kind of come out with just a pip on each trade of open position. Just basically broke even and thought that nothing of it. But honestly, after that I never looked back. It just kept going up and up and up. And this was at about 2 o'clock, quarter past 2, that is, that did a retest here and then carried on to the 200 EMA line. At the moment it is consolidated, and it has been in this consolidated position since, you can see up here, since 7 o'clock or so. So there's not been a lot of movement in the New York session. Later in the New York session, first thing in the New York session was absolutely fantastic, made great pips in that, to be honest. You're looking at a level above 124, around the 124880 level, with a retest possibly for a long position, because the momentum here is really in no here there, so to be safe after that, a retest to carry long. Otherwise you look for a short trade below the blue fib channel. You can see 124655 level, 124. If it carries on below 124655, it's a short trade. Alright, so that's the big three, guys. You can see up here throughout the day, let's say pound dollar, results were given. These results show you when the analysis was done and how the trade beautifully worked out up here. So this was still above this is at 2 o'clock when the analysis were done by our industry leader, like almost like London Forex Trade Show 2019 winner analyst, who did the analysis at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By 3:30 you had made, if you had gone into this trade, about 30 pips up here. Pound dollar in the morning, 7:35. This analysis was done around the 200 EMA line. You can see by 9 o'clock the trade had gone up to the yellow fib channel. So again, you can see it had gone. First option was for a long pullback, and it carried through after that. So you can see fantastic kind of like analysis throughout the day, guys. London morning session, New York open session, then there are analysis done for the for the session, for this session as well. I mean, he's just done the analysis, the analyst for the Asian trading session happening on the 16th of March, about half an hour ago. Just obviously because trades do become pretty much non-existent at this time, but once the Asian trading sessions are, then you get some movement. But you can see all this, the analysis already done. So this platform is great, guys, if you want to really have expert guidance while you do your trading, to know where to entry and exit the trades, and where to basically consider tightening your stop loss, move your stop loss, consider banking pips at levels. So yeah, I mean, you can see to about 25 pips today. I mean, I was down by 18 pips in the first half of the day with a pound yen trade, but then we could say I recovered that by second half. But yeah, it was a good day for trade. Generally, people made over 40 pips, 40, 50 pips. So it's all about you guys, your application, how much you're willing to put in, and you can get out. You don't need your own money to trade as well. If you can have a portfolio, you can prove your worth. Money's there. www.forexeasytrades.com, www.forexeasytrades.com. Go there, leave a message, let us know what you're interested in, and we can have set up an appointment meeting over Zoom, just to kind of like find out what are you interested in, how do you want to go about it, what are your ambitions about it. Remember, you're learning a lifelong skill here, guys. This is no quick money scheme or anything like that. Look, forex trading, and ask anyone, it's a skill. It really is a skill you learn for life, and you apply it, and it gives you back. Treat it like you're almost doing a business, a trade business, just like as a brick and mortar, and you will have the results. That's what it's about. Okay, guys. Get in touch if you see this video on Facebook. PM me, and we can talk. Have a great evening and the rest of the week.